Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss global variable in Power App Canvas app. First, let's understand what a global variable is. A global variable is used to store a value that can be accessed from any screen in the app. The main benefit of using a global variable is that we can store data once and use it across multiple screens, which make the app more dynamic and easy to manage. So this is our blank canvas app. First, insert a label control. Then insert a button. Now select the button and go to the on select property. Remove the existing one and add. The set function is used to create a global variable. Here, variable user is the variable name and Alex is the value stored in that variable. Now select the label, go to the text property, remove the existing value and add variable user. This will display the value stored inside the global variable. Now, preview the app. When I click on the button, you can see the value Alex appear on the label. Now go back. Next, I will add one more screen. On this screen, insert a label and go to the text property. Remove the existing value and add variable user. This will display the same global variable value on this screen as well. Now, insert a button and go to the on select property, remove the existing one and add. Here we are updating the value of the same global variable. Now preview the app. When I click on this button, you can see the value David appear here. Now go back. Now go to the screen one and you can see David is visible here as well. This show that global variables work across multiple screens in Power App. So in this video, we covered variable using set global variable in Power App Canvas app. Thanks for watching.